Hello guys, so in this video, I will be showing you a new design of OX inventory. As you can see guys, this is the new version or the redesign of OX inventory. And as you can see, it looks good for me. I don't know for you, but it's looking good for me. Alright. So let's try to open the shop. Alright, so the shop has 3 items. This one it's not showing up because of it's not stated in the data or as an item. That's why there's no item here. Okay, now as you can see guys, this blank right here is empty, which is not the same with this one, or the slots are empty and it's kind of clean, and it is transparent, and there's an hot bar here in this side and the inventory word here. And as you can see guys, the packet, your personal inventory, and currently it has 85 kilogram. And what else? There is an information right at the bottom right, so you can press this using your cursor. So these are the useful controls that your player may learn. Okay, so those informations are very helpful. Okay guys, so if you don't know how to install this on your FiveM server, I will of course add an installation tutorial for this. Okay, let's go. Alright, for the installation, all you need to do is you have to click the link in the description of this video, and then you have to download it. Okay, once it was downloaded, you have to go to your download folder, which is here. You have to extract it using WinRAR. Alright, so since I already extracted it here, OX inventory, and I have to copy this one, so you have to copy this. Okay, now on your resources, actually this is the FiveM resources at the right side. Open the resources folder and look for OX. So it depends on you of which framework are you using today, but for me I'm using Qbox because it's already have an OX inventory installed. So let's paste. Actually you can do a backup of your OX inventory. You have to add it or archive it using WinRAR. Sorry about my English guys. Okay, you just have to paste it here. And here we go. This is the new OX inventory. Now we're going to test out this inside of our FiveM server. Okay. Alright, so this is new. Okay, I just installed my framework today, which that's why I use Qbox. Because OX is already installed. I will save that, and as you can see mga guys, it's not changing. Why? Alright, so I forgot to restart the server, so all you need to do is just rename it and then copy the file name. So I just press the F2 for the shortcut, and then all I need to do is I just press the T on our keyboard and then type refresh and then start OX inventory, or my bad, sorry, ensure OX inventory. Okay, you have to wait until the OX inventory has been restarted. And as you can see guys, the new OX inventory is on our side now. So as you can see guys, I have a 500 money and a phone. So basically I have to press the M button on this to open the phone. Now let's try this in the store, and this Wait, open the shop. Oh, as you can see guys, the at the shop portion on the default OX inventory, there is a slot, or there are some empty slot here, but when there are 3 items that are currently selling in the shop, the only item will be high. I think the UI is different. All right, so as you can see, this as send button, and this, I don't know this one because I don't have any person inside of my server, so I can test this out. So I think it's a clean OX inventory, and you can use it on your as a replacement of your OX inventory. Now this is it for today's video guys, and I hope you like this one, and bye bye.